Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My channel is about handbag, SLG and jewelry reviews that I purchase regardless of brand or price, as I personally love items that are well made, good quality. If you love this video, perhaps you can click on the subscribe button below and the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Clicking on the subscribe button does not cost you anything, but it will encourage me in making more videos for you to watch. So therefore, I really hope that you were able to help me out. Okay, today I have this unboxing here. I'm so glad that I managed to find this from the online website, and actually most of it are already sold out. This is like a pre-birthday gift. So let me just open up and show it to you. And this is the card, happy birthday. They do actually pack it quite nicely, although this is just a small item, and they do have this Longchamp or matching green. This is just a very small item that you can see here. Let me just put this aside. This is not a real unboxing. I have already opened up and checked it because I need to check it before the expiry of the returning days, which is 30 days. So look at this. This is cute. Let me just take out all these things. There you go. Isn't this so cute? And this color, it is very nice. I think it's a bubblegum kind of red, a bit bubblegum kind of red. Let me just take out the zip. This is the zip. And this is just a small pouch. It is known as a pouch in the website. I actually saw this unboxing from, I think this is an unboxing from Hello Catwalk City. I will link her video below. That she have this but in a very bright pink. But I like this color. I know I saw the bright pink as well, but I like this color more than the bright pink. So this is a bit reddish pink. And I saw how she put the hook behind. I have this as well. I got this and I put the hook behind, and I can do a crossbody for this, or even just carry one handle. This is just a grab and go. This is in nylon and it is very handy. Let me just bring the strap to you. This is the strap that I have, and this is adjustable strap and removable strap. This hook, which I got it together with this strap, and I already put in the hook. The hook is quite tight to put in. I don't want to take it out anymore. So now I can actually hook it up with this. Let me just show you quickly. There you go. Here is the hook for this. It is a bit long right now. It's on the middle setting. They have a lot of holes here. This is on the middle setting. I can still change the setting to a shorter one if I want to. This is the whole thing. It's going to be like, I can do it crossbody or even on the shoulder. Depends on how long I want it to be. Or if not, I can just carry it handheld like that. If I do not want to use this strap, I can just carry it like that. How cute is this thing? And it is really a very cute pouch, and it can store quite a lot of things. Let me just quickly show you what I can fit inside here. I'm filming with my phone, but this is just the phone cover. I can put my phone inside for sure. This is the phone. I need to put, this is my Louis Vuitton pocket organizer. I can put in as well. So let me just put in a pack of tissue, hand sanitizer. I still use hand sanitizer. And let me just put in this, my Longchamp smaller size. You can see how small is that. This is just a smaller size of this, even smaller than this. This is the coin purse that they have last time. Now they have this design, but I don't think so they have this color anymore. They have the one with the flap, but I just like the one without the flap, which is easier to access. Let me just put this in if I can. But it will be quite tight. I can still shove it in, just because this is also nylon. Let me just arrange it first. I still have space below. Maybe I can just put it properly so that I can push my things in properly. Yeah, this looks better. There you go. Isn't that how cute is this? And I just zip it up, or I do not want to zip it up, it's fine as well. Just leave it open like that, because I'm going to carry it crossbody very close to my body, so I can just leave it open if I do not want to zip it up, or either if I want to zip it up, let's say halfway, it will be fine as well. This is so cute. This is more versatile. Let's say if I want to do it crossbody, although it's tilted a bit, as you can see here, when it is on the body, it is fine. This is not very big and this is very light. So I want to grab and go for lunch, a quick one, just to carry the necessity. So this is it. I'm so glad I got this. And this strap as well that complement it. The color is the same. This is the coin purse that I had earlier. It was quite a while back. I did have video for this. I can link the video up here. And this is the baby, and this is a slightly bigger one. I mean, these are I have used this for so many years and it is still very durable. I have all my knickknacks inside. I can put lipstick and put 2 or 3 or 4 lipstick. I have shown that in my video, that what fits inside here. This is the baby, and this is like a slightly bigger mama. Look at that. How cute is this? So this is my unboxing that I have for now. I have still other unboxing that is coming, so stay tuned. Click on the subscribe button if you haven't, and I will share more of the unboxing coming soon. I hope you like this video. Do let me know if you have any question with regards to this item, and thank you very much for watching, and I see you again. Bye bye.